Hi guys, today's video is about what is Google brand account. What is Google brand account? You can create Google brand account for multiple services. There are lots of benefits for Google brand account. It's especially for your brand. If you have a brand, you can use it. If you don't have a brand, you can still try. You can name it same with brand or different name as well. That means you can choose any name for your account. It's important that nobody can access your account. Choose a secure password. Must add two-step verifications. This will help you protect from scam. The meaning of verification is security questions that nobody knows but you. Go to the Google page and sign up. It's so easy, you just have to follow the steps. Fill the required information. The information must be right. That help you recover if you forgot details. I already used this tab. You can use an easy username for any wording. Follow the steps and complete all fields. If you do anything wrong, a page will come and you have to follow those steps in order to correct it. Accept terms and conditions. You can log in now, it's all done. It's as simple as I told you. Your account is ready for earning and multiple services. Please subscribe and I hope it would help you. Thanks for watching.